This video is how to use the date and view function in your video manager in Studio Beta. So let's open up our video page first and take a look. The way you can do it is if you come over here to your date and I click on this date, you read it up here, it says this shows when you first added or published the video to YouTube. Only the uploaded data will appear on the videos that are private unlisted. So let's go ahead and click on that. And what you're going to see is it just flipped back all the way to my first video that I ever published. It was August 24th, 2006. So it looks like you can just keep on moving forward if you want and look at all of your videos. It's doing 30 at a time. So I've got like 30 different, videos to run through every time I click this little arrow on the right hand corner. So let's go ahead and switch this back from 2006 to 2018. Now we're back to the most recent video page. So if you click on views, it reverses and it goes to the video that has the most views. This video has almost 2 million views. Kitesurfer falls in a swarm of sharks at Delray Beach kiteboarding. So as you scroll down the page, it starts with the video with the most views and moves down. So if we go back and we click on views again, it goes back to your most recent video page. And that's how you use the date and view function.